Optical flow inside Vegas Pro is a way to get smooth slow motion, and even though it's nowhere near the level of time remapping and so on in After Effects, it still does a decent job on the right clips. To use it, right click on your clip, go to properties and make sure the resample mode is set to optical flow. You can go with nearest frame, but that's usually just a worse version. If it doesn't work for some reason, it's probably because your preview quality is on the lower end, like preview quarter or something. Just set it to best and it should work. If you still want to use the lower preview quality, what you can do is while holding shift, press options, then head into internal and search for optical flow, or just optical, and make sure to change this setting right here to the value 2 instead of -1. That just makes it so that instead of using the preview quality where it might not look right, even though it's still fine when you render it, might not look right in the preview, it just makes it so it's always the best that it can be. Also, I've seen some people having issues while using optical flow and crashing. If it does that for you, try and change this one to a 1 so it automatically uses the nearest frame. Again, I said it was worse earlier, which I think it is, but you know, at least you can use it now. And yeah, to use the slow motion, all you have to do is just insert envelope and velocity and just, you know, whatever your clip is, if it's gameplay or whatever, just take it down like 8%. Again, it's not perfect, it can jitter sometimes. That's just because whatever AI or algorithm or whatever the fuck they're using is just not that great, especially compared to After Effects. Like if I zoom out here, like you can see it's very jittery, and you know, if there's actual movement in, like there's a lot of movement in the clip, it gets way worse as well. So you know, just make sure you use it on the right clips. It kind of sucks, and if you're gonna do like a lot of like highlights in gameplay, you should use After Effects instead. But you know, if it's just to change something like minor, you can use it, yeah. Anyways, that's it.